Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and ZIP archives on your HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro. So to start, we'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to download it in our previous video. Now let's open it. Here, find the files that you want to pack, and in my case there should be in DCIM and then camera. Select each of the file, click on this plus button. You'll enter archiving options so that you can change anything right here, but it's not necessary, so I'm just gonna pick a new name for it. Click on OK, and that way you will create your RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.